double dash is a ds by dt whole square into capital T cross T dash. Now mod of T capital T is equal to 1 for all T. So T and capital T dash are orthogonal. So hence by theorem r dash cross r double dash is a ds by dt whole square. T cross T dash will be mod T into mod T dash because they are the orthogonal. So we have that answer ds by dt whole square into T dash mod. Substituting this value here, we will have T dash is equal to r dash cross r double dash upon ds by dt is a r dash of whole square this. So curvature k is a T dash upon r dash. So we have this formula r dash cross r double dash upon r dash cube. So that we are getting this formula. Find the curvature of the twisted cube r of t equal to t, comma t square, comma t cube at the general point 0, 0, 0. First we compute the required ingredient. What we required in our formula? R dash and R double dash. So R dash, what is our R? T, T square and T cube. The derivative of T is 1, derivative of T square is a 2T and derivative of T cube is a 3T square. Second derivative of 1 is 0, 2T is a 2, 3T square is a 6T. So mod of r dash t is the under root of 1 plus 4t square plus 9t raised to 4. We know how to find the cross multiplication. That is our determinant ijk. We are taking the coordinate of the r dash is a 1, 2t square, 3t square and the coordinate of r double dash is a 0, 2, 6t. So simplify this determinant, we have 6t square I minus 6tj plus 2k. So r dash cross r double dash of t is under root of 36t raised to 4 plus 36t square plus 4. So we have this answer. Now I want to find the value at the origin. So t equal to 0. Substitute the value of t equal to 0 in the curvature formula. The curvature at the point t equal to 0, the answer is 2. For the special case of the plane curve with the equation y equal to f of x, we choose x as a parameter and write r of x is equal to xi plus f of xij. Then r dash of x is I plus f dash of xj. R double dash will be what? F double dash of xj. Since I cross j is a k and j cross j is a 0. So r dash cross r double dash, our answer is only f double dash of xk because j cross j will be the 0 and I cross j will be the k. So we have only one term with k. So we have r dash of x is under root of 1 plus f dash of x whole square. So what is our theorem? K is r dash cross r double dash and upon में क्या था? Mod r dash x. We are substituting this both the value here. So r dash cross r double dash upon r dash whole cube. So we have this answer. So f dash of x upon 1 plus f dash whole square whole raised to 3 by 2. So this is our Cartesian form formula. So we will discuss this type of example also. Find the curvature of a parabola y is equal to x square at the point 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. Start with the solution. Since y dash, we want two derivative, y dash and y double dash. So y dash is a 2x, y double dash is a 2. So what is our formula of the curvature? Upper portion न्यूमेटर में आएगा y डबल डैश, अपॉन में आएगा 1 प्लस y डैश होल स्क्वायर होल रेज टू 3/2. So answer of the first upper term is a 2 and upon में आएगा 1 plus 4x square raised to 3/2. Now we will calculate at point 0, 0. यानी substitute the value of x is 0, y is 0. तो curvature is 2. अगर हमें अलग अलग पॉइंट पे आंसर चाहिए, we can substitute the value that x equal to 1, we have this answer. If we substitute the x equal to 2, so curvature at 2, 4, we have this answer. You can see the answer on the screen. So what is our observation? Observe the expression for the curvature or the graph of the curvature is here that curvature tends to 0 as x tends to infinite. देखिए आप अगर आगे के वैल्यूज़ देखोगे तो 0 पॉइंट पे उसका कर्वेचर हाईएस्ट था 2, 1 पॉइंट पे उसका कर्वेचर लेस हुआ 0.18 हुआ. एट x इक्वल टू 2 इट्स मोर लेस 0.03. अगर x इक्वल टू 3, x इक्वल टू 4, x इक्वल टू 5 लेंगे, when your x tends to infinite the curvature tends to 0. So you can see the diagram. ब्लू जो लाइन है वो ओवर पैराबोला का डायग्राम है और जो पर्पल लाइन दिखाई रही है दैट इज द कर्वेचर टेंड्स टू 0. So isn't it very interesting topic? Let's see the another examples. Find the curvature using x and the arc length parameter for r of t equal to 4 sin t minus t cos ti plus 4 cos ti plus t sin t into j plus 3/2 t square k. We've already seen this type of question for arc length. हम लोगों ने इसका arc length आगे मेज़र कर लिया है. That this problem was we did earlier and found the arc length to be t equal to under root of 2s/5, correct? So t, we are substituting here value of t. Using the formula of the curvature k in the term of arc length s. So we know that r dash upon mod r dash is our capital T and r dash of s is a 1. We already see these things. We get t of s is r dash. So 4/5 sin under root of 2s/5 comma 4/5 cos under root of 2s/5 comma 3/5. Since the curvature, the formula k is a norm of d of capital T by ds. So norm of t dash of s. Find the curvature using the s of the arc length parameter. So here we will find, you can see those 1 by 1 steps. So t is equal to r dash. If I want capital T dash, we will take r double dash. That is, you can see all the calculation on the board, on the screen. Then find the norm of that. So first term square plus second term square plus third term square. And simplifying this, sin square plus cos square will be the 1. And our answer, you can see on the screen that 2 under root of 10s upon 25s. If you have some values of s here, if your s is equal to 5/2t square, the term of t, the curvature will be, substituting the value of the s here, we will have answer, the curvature k is a 4/25t. In this example, using the alternative curvature formula for the same vector valued function. See, हम लोगों ने एक ही एग्जाम्पल लिया, उसका आर्क लेंथ देखा, उसका कर्वेचर कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, अलग अलग फार्मूला यूज़ करके वो देखा. So we can compare our answer from the example 2a. We already know that r dash of t is a minus 4t sin t, comma 4t cos t, comma 3t. So r dash is a 5t. Norm of r dash will be this. So we will next find the capital T. So capital T is r dash upon norm of r dash t. So we need capital T. Now t dash we required. So derivative of sin t is a cos t is a minus sin t, and the last term constant having the derivative 0. Using the formula of curvature K is a norm of t dash upon r dash is a what? R dash of t cross r double dash of t upon norm of r dash raised to cube. Right? So t dash we have this. Find its norm is under root of first term square plus second term square is a 4 by 5. So curvature is a 4 by 5 and r dash t हम लोगों ने find करा था 5t. So answer is a 4 upon 25t. So you can use any formula, we will have the same answer of the curvature. If you are using this formula, r dash of t cross r double dash of t upon r dash raised to norm of r dash raised to 3. So we have क्रॉस फॉर्मूला अगर यूज़ करते हैं, सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? r is we have this r, we can find r dash, we can find r dash norm is a 5t, r double dash we have minus 4t cos t minus 4 sin t comma minus 4t sin t plus 4t cos t into 3 comma 3. We can find r dash cross r double dash. We can solve this determinant and substitute all this value in the formula of the curvature. We are getting the same answer, the 4 upon 25t. Right? We have the another formula that is in a which format? X and y. We already seen that y of x is equal to this. So we have a here another formula of the curvature is a y double dash upon 1 plus y dash square whole raised to 3 by 2. So let the C be the curve with the curvature K at a point P. The circle passing through the point P with the radius r is equal to 1 by k, called the circle of the curvature. If the circle lies on the concave side, the curve and the sharp a common tangent line with the curve at the point P. So हम लोगों ने already circle का curvature discuss कर चुके हैं, right? So you can see from this diagram the radius of the curvature is r. So r k is a 1 by r. So this is very interesting thing. और भी इसके काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. सो यहाँ पे हम सारे अब डिस्कस नहीं कर पाएंगे ड्यू टू द टाइम. वी हैव अ नॉर्मल बाई नॉर्मल वेक्टर ऑल्सो and the application also. So just I want to show you at the last how to apply this curvature and the arc length and the problems. That is, the problem is given here. The arc length and curvature are closely related to the tangent and the normal components. So the amount of the thrust felt the passenger and the car that is turning depend on the two things, the speed of the car and the sharpness of the turn. जो हम लोग टर्न लेते हैं, जब हम लोग रियल लाइफ में ड्राइव करते हैं, तब कैसे आर्क लेंथ और कर्वेचर में इफेक्ट करता है, वो लास्ट डायग्राम में हमें देखने के लिए मिला. सो आवर रियल लाइफ इज़ वेरी मच कनेक्टेड विथ आवर मैथमेटिक्स. सो आपने कभी ड्राइव करते समय या अच्छे अच्छे कर्व्स टाइप के रोड होते हैं, तब आपने कभी भी आर्क लेंथ और कर्वेचर के बारे में सोचा था? I think no. Now you can visualize our real life, our traveling with the arc length and curvature. So enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this session and understand what is the arc length and the curvature. Thank you very much.
સંધાન. ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.